Given the midpoint and one endpoint, find the other endpoint. I always draw a picture for these. I have the endpoint 3, -1. I'm not putting this on graph paper. I'm just drawing myself a little helping picture. I know that the middle is -2 and 3. And what I don't know is what the other endpoint was that they used to come up with this answer. So I do know that these are my x coordinates. These two things added together and divided by 2 came up with an answer of -2. All right, so that's one little equation I need to solve. Start by multiplying that by 2 to cancel that fraction. Then if you multiply one side by 2, you got to multiply the other side by 2. We end up with 3 plus x equals -4. And then subtracting 3 from both sides, we get x equals -7. So this x will be -7. Now we got to do the same thing for the y's. This -1 plus this y divided by 2 equals 3. Set up the little equation, do the same thing, multiply both sides by 2 to cancel the fraction. We end up with -1 plus y equals 6, and y equals 7. So our other endpoint was -7 and +7. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.